How to add a voiceover on Canva. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a voiceover to a video on Canva. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then go to the search bar to search for canva.com. And once you open up your Canva, just create a new project where you have your video. So let me just quickly go ahead and select the video option. And from here, just go ahead and create a landscape video or the portrait one, depending on your choice. From here, just import the video where you want the voiceover to be. So let me just go ahead and import a sample video from here. So here are quite a few videos that I can use from Canva's library. I'm just going to go ahead and import this video right here. Once you import the video, just drag it so that it fits on the screen. And once that is done, just go ahead and play the video from here. And as you guys can see here under tools, there is no direct option to add a voiceover, or even if you go to the app section, you cannot add a voiceover. Under audio tools, you can only enhance your voice, which is a pro feature, and you can adjust the volume of your video. These are the only thing that you can do here. So in order to add a voiceover to the video, what you can do is open the default recorder of your laptop or PC. Let's go ahead and search for recorder and open up this recorder app. Now, once you do this, just minimize it and move it to the side. Now, just wait for it to completely load up. And once your recorder is open, you can just move it to the side like this. Start recording and then play the video alongside so that it matches and syncs with the video. So let me just start the recording first. And then from here, you can allow it for your microphone access. Then let's play the video again. And once the video is playing, your voice recorder will also be synced up. Now, once you're done, just stop the recording. Then once the recording has been saved, you can simply go ahead and edit it or cut it out to sync it with the video. I'm not going to do that right now. So here is the recording. What I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and import this recording to my Canva. Before I do that, let me just quickly see where it's located. So I'm just going to quickly copy this address from here and close it out. Now I'm going to go to design elements, go to uploads, and then upload a file. Here you have an option to record yourself as well. So you can just click here and start recording yourself, your camera, allowing it with your camera and microphone access. So this is the thing you can do as well. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and upload my recording. So let me just paste the file here and find the recording. So here I've got the recording, which is now being uploaded to Canva. Once it has been successfully uploaded, just drag and drop your music right here. Move the text, move the recording so that it fits the video. And once that is done, you could also trim it out if you want. Trim out the video so that the recording also fits. Now just play the video and your recording will be played alongside with the video. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.